Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can see all participants in Zoom meeting on mobile. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delays, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app and then let's say log in with your account. Once you do that, join a meeting. Once you join the meeting, so now you need to go all the way down until you find this participants option. Just go over here, and over here you will be having all the participants list in Zoom meeting on your mobile. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.